Here at Silver Creek Materials, we're all about you having the most lush landscape on the block and even in the neighborhood. One of the great products we offer here at Silver Creek is our 100% organic enriched compost. It makes growing easy, and as our owner, Robert Dow, says, not your granddad's compost. Compost doesn't have to be just ground up trees, and ours isn't. This compost is loaded with a wide variety of unique ingredients that bring life to any lawn, flower or vegetable bed, or container pot. Silver Creek Materials takes the perfect blend of leaves, trees, lawn clippings, and mixes that with thousands of gallons of out-of-date beer, wine, and liquor and oceans of soft drinks. We can honestly say this is definitely not the compost your granddad made. At Silver Creek, we recommend applying compost to your lawn at least every fall and every spring to help build the organic matter in your soil. By doing so, your lawn will retain moisture for a longer period of time, and that will save you money on your water bill. Or you can include it in a top dress mix to go anywhere in your landscape. Silver Creek Enriched Organic Compost is available at Silver Creek Materials, feed stores, hardware stores, nurseries, and garden centers all across the North Texas area.